About this item: input 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz, for worldwide use. Output 12V 3.58A 43W, connector size, rep to the picture, compatible models: Surface Pro 1 Pro 2, RT Root 2 Model 1512, 1516, 1536, 1601, i5, i7 tablet. Safety: Futurebatt AC adapters manufactured with the highest quality materials and include laptop safeguard features against incorrect voltage, short circuit, internal overheating. Package includes 1 AC adapter and 1 power cord. This product has 60 days money back guarantee or 18 months replacement warranty. With hassle-free customer service, please contact us with any questions or concerns. We are here to help. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: input 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz, for worldwide use. Output 12V 3.58A 43W, connector size, rep to the picture, compatible models: Surface Pro 1 Pro 2, RT Root 2 Model 1512, 1516, 1536, 1601,